All right, yes, now full house we get today. Now, a lot of people now don't they embrace stage play for inside Wibudo Nigeria because they don't see them say, come on, this one now they real. Past the one where they don't add some kind of effect join. And now Thespian Family Theatre and production, they want to do this one where they call Iton. Your mouth was going on. Iton, wait with the story. And we get Michelle and Shegun Dada inside the studio.
Yes.
How are they?
We did fire.
We don't rehearse.
We guys try to learn some pidgin so that
everything go balance.
Exactly.
Now they act on stage.
Yes, but not me. I know they act for.
She know they actually part of my.
Tell us about this movie then.
Okay, it's on the story about our generational confrontation, wahala, gbege from old people and the young generation. Old people will say, okay, do one like this, do one like this. Young generation will say, no, now we be today, now we they happen. So the story now basically about these two generations coming together. Like my character, the guy named DK. He's like this whole hip guy.
I know, that's so that was fit to Jemai.
Exactly. So in Grandpa come meet them. In Grandpa come from village, they come jam for city. Now then the big can start. The whole story about finding out in Grandpa and everything. So just all that battle, about generational old people, young people, who suppose inspire who suppose. So I just waiting the story there about and it is very tight.
Even apart from that, the Thespian Family Theatre, they do the production. And one of our core values now to do productions, we go create change, we go instigate change for the society. And if you see most of our plays, we get values like culture, community, unity, and all family fun, things that will go bring we Nigerians together. And inside this play, you go see everything we go make you feel say, okay, make we day together, walk things together, spectacle, dance, festival. Children self did the production.
Wow.
If you come, if you see the show, they go tell you say themselves they part of the change for Nigeria.
Definitely, the children are the next change.
Exactly. Now them gonna be the main change. So they did their everything because the whole idea now, if we start to the chorus, say, okay, now like this, do them the old way.
Do like this.
Then young person say, no,
the new way.
They must
be a balance.
Exactly.
So now the message now to make we join hand, put hands together to make things work.
Make the old inspire the young. Make the young self inspire the old.
Okay, beautiful. Say when we talk about stage play, many people know they want to embark in now because of the difficulties with the inside. Because say when you shoot them just ordinary movie on a Google pre-production, go arrange some things. So what be the difficulties when you think say you got to do with stage play? Which difficulties on the face?
You see, the funny thing is now from stage we come now like this, as in we've been the rehearse from Muson. We done the rehearse since like 8 o'clock. They come tell us how we supposed they here, same way they come. So not just from rehearsal they come like this. So first of all, you go need to learn the lines. Not, some actors know they won't take that time, say you go learn lines.
No be like cut and take, retake.
No, this one no be cut and take. You did live on top stage. If you do any mistake, you go show. People go just like say, you don't forget in line. Kind of all, people know they won't, take that time to move. So for a stage actor, you go first memorize your lines, your movement on top stage, and then your voice projection. If you did that kind of National Theatre Auditorium or even the Muson, people waiting for back, where they sit down for back, then say pay. So they're supposed to hear you. Every word where they talk, they're supposed to hear you. So as a trained thespian, we won't act for stage. You must get all these skills. You must be able to, and then facial expression, you must have it sing, have it move.
And then also, for the financial aspect, the truth be said, organizations and companies never embrace the fact that theatre, you go get on the spot, you go get the experience, you go get the message, you go get everything. You go day real. No be saying they don't edit time for radio or for TV. So now the real thing, but people never really embrace that thing. And the thing be say, the money not today.
True.
People know keen to the idea. The money not today.
Theatre still they grow for Nigeria.
Still they grow.
And
no,
for me,
I don't say still they grow. I would say it just they come back because back in the days, a lot of people they explore theatre acts. Film not really did that time. We even get a DVD because most of those days na stage play. Now people go
watch now.
Even this Iton actually it show for Lagos Theatre Festival will happen for February.
Yes.
And so we say okay, people really embrace.
So you know what we'll talk about this Iton now. When I think I'll actually watch them live.
Saturday.
Tell us when. Give us all the details.
The dates for this show now 26th and 27th of March, which now this weekend, Easter weekend.
Saturday and
so
Sunday.
if you don't get where to go this weekend, Saturday, Sunday.
Hey!
And 2 shows per day.
No, never talk whether na free of charge for people who don't get money.
Now wait till we talk. Say theater need to.
Everybody be form students. Just find ID card. Students on one fine.
We know they promote all those kind of
students from 21 years below here. We fit count you as students. If you not be, if you be students after 21, now you do yourself.
People like we say I just clock 18, you know. So
okay, please tell us about this where they Shelley and everything.
Okay, they happen from Maison Center, Ajib Recital Hall. Unicon, and the time at 3 p.m. and 6 p.m. on Saturday and Sunday. So we get 4 shows for the show. 4 shows. 3 p.m.
So in case you miss the first one on Saturday, if you meet the second one, you
okay,
can't miss Saturday, Sunday you go in
Sunday,
first show, second
for
show.
For adults, when no get school ID, like my sister here, now how much?
A 5B.
Wait, I don't even like to talk that 5,000 naira ticket because really 5,000 naira. Actually, premium na 25,000.
Exactly.
If you want to sit down
premium for VIP is like on a day, 25
like us, now front to sit down.
How much again?
25,000.
Chicken now.
That is 20%. Come on, we'll stick with that. Thank you so much. Now, don't give them where to come watch them again.
Now, Muson, the thing they happened this weekend. Actually, recital Saturday and Sunday, 3 p.m. and 6 p.m. Okay, regular na 5,000, but VIP 10,000 and premium na 25,000.
Chicken,
and you fit get your tickets
online now.
So you fit get online.
Online, you fit get your tickets online for free tickets. And then do the sharp, you get your tickets. And if you want, make we come deliver them to you wherever you are.
As a premium somebody.
Yes, I hear that kind of thing.
You want knock say your ticket there.
Exactly, the day here. If I fit even send a chopper safe. The number to call now 070-4638-0179. I know I fast.
No, you try.
Take it again.
Make I take it again. You know how long it takes me to put the number for head?
Oh yeah, I'll talk again.
4638-0179.
All right, thank you so much, Michelle, and thank you so much, Dede. So you actually enter inside the studio. And make ssure you did the Muson Center for Ajib Hall on Saturday and Sunday, 3 p.m. and 6 p.m. Dede to watch this one live on stage.
And the story actually, I know if I forget, the person will write now our boss. Ayo Dele Jaesimi. She be a woman. If you watch the story, you know go believe in a woman, right? So that to just come, sit down, enjoy the play, and then
make sure say you come and attend Iton. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm going to show you there. Ladies, as they always they talk. To talk not be bad thing, but make you know what they talk about.
Bye.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.